Welcome back, everybody. We've got great music for you this morning. Excited to have this band all the way from New York. They are in town performing an 8-piece gospel, kind of funk, fun, fresh, exciting music. Get ready, everybody. It's Sister Sparrow and the Dirty Birds.
What time did you get up? Work tonight, baby. I think I would know if you were heading home. You got lost, didn't you? You got tossed, didn't you? You found love on your way home. Well, how could you ever do your door? Oh yeah, I think you took the long way. I think you took the long way. What's become of us, darling? I know you used to love me like I was your own, but now you stepping out, you are with her helping out, leaving me all so sad and lonely. Well, you got another thing coming to you. Oh yeah, I think you took the long way. I think you took the long way. Well, I got no choice but to follow as you do. If I only know, yes, I'll be doing that just like you. You took the long way. You took the long way. I think you took the long way. You took the long way. I can tell. Oh yeah. How you think it was gonna be? You turning out a twist.
How you think it's gonna be? You know I ain't your mama.
Well, I can't live without, but I hear the lights coming out your mouth.
Oh girl, that's oversized. Come over here and we'll play.
All of the time with another love, make me pray to the Lord above.
Come on girl, let me put you down. You know I'm gonna be out on the town.
How'd you think it was gonna go? Your cheating ways, I'm out the door.
How you think it was gonna go? Your crazy ways, I'm out the door.